Hi guys, wanted to do another review today. As I've been online shopping, ordering some new stuff, some more stuff which hopefully will be arriving soon. I'll be able to do some videos on it and show you. But one of the things I wanted to talk about is this case here. This is the GOSO dimple pick kit. So I think I paid about $20 for this online. So as you can see, it comes with, just dump this out here. I've got some that I'll put separate, but I'll talk about them after. So as you can see, it comes with, just get this to view here, heaps of flags or picks. The only downside to this set is, well, there's a couple of downsides. The handles are alright on them. As you can see, the plastic, they're full tang, so the metal goes all the way through. Not cut very straight or done a neat job on them, but they're made of, they said or state that it's aircraft metal. Super strong. You won't be bending these or breaking these in a hurry unless you're putting way too much force on them. Fantastic. You get a heap of duplicates. You only get a small amount of the deep flags. So, you get multiples of one pointing to the left. With one that points to the right, as you can see there. So it's one downside to it. The other one is you don't get a flat flag at all in this kit. So all you do is just take a bit of sandpaper and you sand down one of the shallow flags down to make it nice flat flag. So that's what I've done to this one, to have a flat flag. You do get tension wrenches. You get two of these, they're identical, so no difference in these except for the smaller one, the thin end, slightly smaller, but other than that they're identical. And you get one of these tension wrenches. You will have to put a lot of work into these. These are some of the odd ones that I've kept. I had to keep two of the flags as spares. You get a half diamond and this weird looking, hook. But the thing is, the only problem with these is if I find, got my half diamond here from my pick kit, you can see how thin that is. So it's for standard keyways. These are, make that out, a little bit thicker, but that's because working with dimple keyways, so get a bit more room to move. But you look at these are 3 times the thickness of a normal one. The other thing, as I was saying, it needs a lot of work with is, if I find one that shows up a bit better. Yep, this one. So as you can see, the sharp edges. Just grab this in along here where it's been ground down, and there's a sharp edge, as you can probably hear from that. See it there, they are very, very rough. You can see the saw marks in them, and put it near the speaker, probably hear that. So you will need to sand these, smooth out the edges, make them a little bit thinner, so when you're finished they're like that. Done, rounded off all the edges, polished them up, all the working areas. These spots in here, you can see I've hit that with a file to smooth it out because it's got a sharp lip on the edge. So, but for 20 bucks and a little while, some time spent in there sanding and polishing and cleaning them up, you got a pretty good kit. I haven't had a chance to use this yet since I've just started putting, just done all the work to them. But I do have some new locks on the way that I've ordered, so you'll get to see these being used pretty soon. So, cheers guys.